Mid-Hudson Valley meteorologist Katie Whittaker here along with my dog Suga with what may become every teacher and student's new favorite game show, Delay or No Delay. All right, we have a storm system coming in for Friday, January 7th, 2022. What will that mean for the school buses? Well, here's my prediction, and this is just a prediction. Although I am usually fairly accurate, this is a prediction. A lot of things can change in weather. Doing the best I can here. Let's talk about it. All right, here are the things that I like. I like that this low pressure system has been on the radar since at least last Sunday. It's something I've been following for almost a week. Anytime something is consistently on the forecasting data like that, the reliability is pretty good. Along those same lines, the model data that I look at, the numerical data, matching up. Timing, high amounts of precip, same intensity of precip. Anytime your forecasting data models are saying the same thing, higher reliability. I like it. What I also like is the superb timing of the snow. It looks like it's going to start after midnight, maybe around like 1 to 3 a.m. and ending mid-morning, let's say between like 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. That is awesome if you're looking for a delay or snow day. What I don't like about this system is that the low pressure keeps setting itself up a little bit more offshore. So what happens with low pressure systems like this one, when they set up off the coast of New York and New Jersey, it creates what's called a nor'easter because of the northeasterly winds that back in off that counterclockwise rotation. And so if it scoots out to sea, the rotation doesn't bring the snow in as much. So in this case, which is not always the case, in this case, if you go out towards the Catskills, they're looking for lower accumulations. If you go down towards New York City, looking for higher accumulations, there's going to be a pretty steep drop-off, I think, and there could be some isolated bands with some heavier amounts. I think for the Mid-Hudson Valley, we're talking like Poughkeepsie, Hopewell Junction, Red Hook, 1 to 3 inches, maybe isolated up to 4 inches. If you get into those heavier bands, maybe 6 inches. But I think the 1 to 3 inch range is a fair assessment. So a lot of things can change. School districts sort of have their own philosophy on these things. Do I think there will be a delay or no delay? Well, I'm going to put the rosary in the freezer. Don't worry, it's okay. And none told me it was okay to do so. I'm going to flush some ice cubes because, ladies and gentlemen, I think for Friday, January 7th, there will be a delay. Again, just a prediction. Don't mark my words, and unfortunately this is on video, so it can come back to haunt me, but hopefully it pans out for all of us looking for a little extra sleep time tomorrow. Now, I don't like to make predictions as far as snow days go because there's a lot more variables in that case, and it really depends on the timing of it, but certainly a delay. The timing looks good with the potential of a snow day. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next snowstorm for another episode of Delay or No Delay.